This is AI News 5 Minutes. Welcome. Breaking news out of the UK. A startup called Inherent, founded by DeepMind alumni, just dropped something massive. They've created an AI agent named Ferrari that outperformed both OpenAI and Anthropic at replicating scientific research papers. Think about that for a second. This isn't just another AI model claiming superiority. This is about automating one of science's most critical processes, reproducing findings. Why does this matter? Because reproducibility is the backbone of scientific progress. When researchers can't replicate results, the entire field stalls. Ferrari changes the game by automating this tedious, time-consuming work. Imagine scientists spending weeks verifying experiments. Now imagine an AI agent doing it in hours. This breakthrough suggests we're entering an era where AI agents don't just consume research, they accelerate it. The implications are staggering. Drug discovery could move faster, climate models could improve, physics breakthroughs could compound. Inherent's achievement signals that British AI labs are competing at the highest levels. OpenAI and Anthropic better take notice. The competition just heated up significantly. Now let's shift gears. Nvidia just released fascinating research showing something counterintuitive about AI systems. You'd think the strongest underlying model always wins, right? Wrong. Nvidia's findings prove that proper fine-tuning and system design matter more than raw model capability. Here's what they discovered. An average model, when properly harnessed through smart infrastructure, outperforms a powerful model that's poorly controlled. This fundamentally changes how we think about AI development. It's not just about building bigger, stronger models anymore. It's about building smarter systems. Think of it like this. A Ferrari with a bad driver loses to a Honda with a skilled driver. The infrastructure controlling the AI, the harness, as Nvidia calls it, determines real-world performance and safety. This research suggests that companies focusing solely on model size are missing the bigger picture. The real advantage comes from elegant system design. It's a wake-up call for the entire industry. Safety, reliability, and performance aren't just about the model. They're about the entire ecosystem surrounding it. Harvard Business School just did something brilliant. They launched HBS Foundry, a $6.99 AI bootcamp featuring instructor avatars. Yes, you read that right. AI avatars of actual professors. These digital mentors provide real-time feedback during practice pitches and board meetings. This is democratizing elite education. Traditionally, Harvard's expertise costs thousands. Now, AI avatars deliver personalized mentorship at scale. Startup founders get feedback from virtual Harvard professors instantly. No waiting lists. No scheduling conflicts. The quality? Surprisingly excellent. These avatars leverage actual instructor knowledge, training on their teaching methods and expertise. Founders practice pitches, receive AI feedback, iterate, and improve. It's like having a Harvard professor in your pocket. The affordability is revolutionary. Quality entrepreneurship education, once gatekept by elite institutions, becomes accessible. This could reshape startup ecosystems globally. Imagine founders in rural areas, developing nations, getting Harvard-level mentorship. That's the power of AI avatars. HBS isn't replacing human instructors. They're extending their reach. It's innovation meeting accessibility. Finally, here's a stunning policy development. OpenAI just reversed its position on California's SB 53 AI safety bill. Remember? They opposed it before. Now they're calling for it to be strengthened. This is huge. OpenAI, the industry leader, now supports stronger safety regulations. What changed? Probably growing recognition that the industry needs guardrails. When OpenAI leads on regulation, others follow. This signals consensus forming around AI safety requirements. Companies realize self-regulation isn't enough. Governments must act. SB 53 could become a template for national and international AI policy. OpenAI's reversal suggests the industry is maturing. We're moving past denial into responsibility. That's progress. Let's recap today's stories. Inherent's Faraday outperforms OpenAI at research replication. Nvidia proves harness matters more than model. Harvard launches affordable AI bootcamp with Instructor avatars. OpenAI supports stronger AI safety regulations. 5 minutes of absolute game-changing news. Subscribe now for tomorrow's updates. I'm your AI news host. See you tomorrow.